Hey guys, Shakir from Polybase and welcome back to another series on Hackathon Highlights project number 5. Today I'm with the team who built A.L.F.R.E.D and we'll be going over the problems they solved, how they integrated Polybase database on their project, and also some of the feedbacks and comments they have on Polybase. So okay guys, what's A.L.F.R.E.D do and what are the problems it solves?
Yeah, basically, as blockchain communities, most of the people are kind of behind a pseudo identity or a wallet, right? So now the hinting towards DAOs, what is happening is most of the companies or organizational frameworks are being disrupted. Okay. And in this particular way or the future of work, the people will be taking control of their own careers by themselves. So when we talk about careers, what traditionally has been, it was a very controlled environment of, talent development. So we are trying to explore what happens and how career development or talent development or, personalized learning will happen in the future, and specifically towards how a community driven, organization would work.
Okay. Is it kind of like a decentralized workspace?
It's a decentralized talent development platform.
Okay.
Because what we have done and how we have used Polybase is we created personalized libraries, indexes for everyone. So rather than, taking content libraries and serving it to everyone and expecting them to search and, learn the content, what we are doing is we are taking in people's preferences before, like what is the modality that is best for you to learn in. Some people would like videos, some people would like learning by audio or reading, right? Or by participating like hackathons. So what is your modality of learning? What is your preference? What is your preferred time of learning? These are some configurations that A.L.F.R.E.D has as an adaptive learning bot. And then it can serve content according to your preferences and your skill sets. So if you say that I want to learn blockchain or data science, my current level is 3 and I would like to develop this at a priority. Basically, the bot will keep this in mind and it will serve you content according to your preferences. And it will create a personalized library. So rather than showing you or giving you access to content on data science and machine learning and everything, it will just focus on the content that you want to develop on. And it will create a personalized library index. And out of which it will also weekly or periodically, sprue you micro learning content.
Okay, this sounds cool. Can you go over the Polybase schema collection and also the demo of the front end as to how it would look like from an end user perspective?
Yep. Let me share my screen and see how that goes. This is the library that we have built for this particular person.
Okay.
And this library has some filters. This is something that we are developing. This is the bot, like we have rebranded it for the organizational experience. And this is the Polybase, index coming for this particular person.
Okay. Got it.
And the learning format can be checked. Like if you want, reading only, it finds that. And then the bot based on certain configurations, it also sends you the, particular content at a particular time. And there's a different, because this person is an admin, it also has, distributions that he can do in different segments.
Nice. This sounds cool. And you log in with your wallet, right?
Yes. The project that we have built is this one. You connect your wallet. Yeah, we built this particular thing and then we, we developed a different version of the bot for a client plan. Let me see where that is. So this is the story that I was writing on Medium.
Okay.
Like we have created distributed development mechanisms for people to have relevant skill development. We are integrating this with Acts as a bot.
Okay.
And how it works is every person, we are giving a personalized library for each galaxy. So rather than having a, shared access to all the organizational content, we are reducing the amount of content that we throw at. Okay.
Got it.
So it will be only the relevant content that you will see. Then direct learning distributions from the company that can happen. Then validation of selected distributions, like only if you implement XPs on a particular item, like, for every course that you do, you get 5 XPs. But if you do this particular one, which is relevant to your role and the organization want it, or if it's a mandatory course, you get 100 XPs. So you can incentivize people, gamify the whole process. Then it's based on, parameters of need, want, and opportunity to apply. Yeah. And we are really hoping that we, scale it up with some people, with some
clients. Okay, Shivam. So I would love to hear any feedbacks or comments that you have on Polybase, which would, make the experience for the devs drastically better.
Okay. We have already made the experience better because we did a migration towards this, database format. So rather than using APIs or filters while serving the content, now that we have the indexes, the site speed has drastically improved anyways. So for us, it's been a good experience of experimentation with Polybase and using the library not as is but as an index, and where we can create it at scale. Like we have created already for 350 people personalized indexes, and despite having so many records and variations, it's working seamlessly. I can also give you some feedback on how you can improve, because by default all your libraries are public, so there was not enough documentation for us to make those private. So we had to go into some charts and servers. It was a seamless thing. Like we were able to do it all in say 1 week max.
1 week. Yeah, that's exactly the experience we'd love to deliver. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to come on a call and explain your project. I hope you guys had fun following along. If you think Polybase is interesting, do give us a follow on Twitter to know more about our story. I'll meet you with another team in another video. Until then, this is A.L.F.R.E.D team and Shaki signing off.